Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make icons bigger or smaller in Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 comes with a normal or medium-sized desktop, taskbar, and File Explorer icons. However, if you're going to spend a lot of time staring at your computer, you may want to change the icon to the size you are comfortable with, like small, large, extra large, or any other size. Right-click somewhere on the desktop. Go to View. You will see a list of options. Click on small icons to make the icons smaller. Choose large icons to make them bigger. Right-click somewhere on the desktop. Go to View. You will see a list of options. Choose medium icons to make the icons look normal size. Right-click somewhere on the desktop. Choose Refresh from the list to update the view. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!